What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I just shot a whole video of unboxing this and actually didn't even turn the microphone on, so there's no audio. So this is a lamp I purchased. If you can hear the baby in the background, that's because he is flopping around. This is something I actually purchased to kind of help with my YouTube setup in my computer room, and that I don't have a whole lot set up in there, and when I'm shooting video currently it's just staring at a back wall. So I bought this for $40 on Amazon. It's more of an industrial look, as you can tell by the pipe here. So I already unboxed it, sorry for that, I didn't turn the microphone on. But I'm going with more of a pipe industrial look theme. I kind of wish I would have went with a different color base, because most of my room is white, but they actually didn't have a white base. But I'm going to go with a more warm color for my channel for a little bit. I'll probably mix it up after that, but this is a 2700K for Kelvin. I believe it's Kelvin for lighting. So it's a little bit warmer color than, I believe I'm shooting like 5600K for that. So $40. The base is really nice. It is metal. It is not, or it feels like some type of aluminum or metal. It's not actually wood. It looks like wood, so I don't really care about that. It's got a nice padding there on the bottom, one USB, and then it did come with a light bulb. This light bulb came with it, which I'll plug it in and give you an idea of the color. Another side note, it actually did come slightly damaged, if you can see that there. I'm sure I could return it because I bought it, I'm pretty sure it was an Amazon fulfilled thing, so I could easily return it, but the way it's going to be sitting, it's not going to matter anyways, and I kind of need it right now. So it has three different settings. It has this, which is your lowest, and then your medium. It gets really bright. So if you're wanting to get a lot of light into your channel, this will be an easy way to do it. And then that's the brightest right there. So yeah, we'll definitely give you a ton of light for your setup. Currently I have three kind of umbrellas that I've been using, but kind of wanting to change things up, and I kind of want to move the umbrellas out of the room. We want to put some different furniture in there, move the furniture that's in there out into a different room, mainly our little guy's play area, because right now he just kind of flops around in the living room. So we're going to move that up and get a little bit more grown-up furniture. So this will be the light I use in there. It definitely gets really bright. 60 watts is what you get. It's your standard bulb, so nothing too fancy there. It does come with a nice USB plug, so you can do some charging through it. But I do like that it has three different settings, so I'm not really sure which one I will use. Probably depends on how much light I got going on in there. But this is, you know, one of the steps. Going again for the more industrial look. I'm going to get some shelves to put in there and kind of make it look a little bit more adult-like than what we currently have in there right now. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. The link's below if you want to purchase this. I would recommend it. I mean, does it not work? Is it broke already? Okay. So maybe I'm not 100% sure I like the touch thing, because what happens if it dies? How do you turn it on then? So hopefully it doesn't die. So that's one negative, is that something happened and this ended up not working, you would kind of be out of luck, because there's no other physical buttons on here. So once this goes, and I'm sure it will at some point, you're basically done. So that's it, guys. Questions, comments, leave them below. I will get a full review of this up at some point, but it's not anything special. There was a million of these on there, but this is the one I picked. So have a good rest of the day. This is more vlog type video. I actually did an unboxing of it. Box is over here, somewhere over here, but I didn't turn the audio on. So that's it. It's a Seaside Village. They make all kinds of stuff. Links below if you'd like to purchase it. Have a good rest of the day. See you guys next time, and that's it.